Hi there, welcome back. Here we have Janet meeting Cecil, okay, Carol and Hannah. Say hi,
Hi.
introduce yourselves.
Hi guys, I'm Hannah.
We know you. Oh, we know Ugly Boy already. No introduction necessary. Janet,
Hi, I'm
please.
Janet.
Okay. Now, Janet is first cousin to Cecil. Hannah is second cousin to Cecil because Janet is Brother Payne's daughter.
Which one, the Payne?
Brother Payne's daughter.
Not Brother Payne. What are you calling it?
Reginald Payne. Okay.
Reginald Payne.
And Cecil's mom would have been
Elaine Payne.
Elaine Payne, would have been Reginald Payne's sister. Okay. So that's what we're looking at.
Sydney, this is Sydney. Steve and Janice and Ralph, Janice, and Gregory is the first cousin also.
Okay.
Sydney Payne.
Okay, got you. Okay. We're in my back garden at the moment, okay? You okay? Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Fine. One love. Fine.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. No, your eyes is a bit glazed, okay, so.
Oh, get away.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And then for the sister,
This is just in front of my yard, okay? Okay.